guys, it's me Rachel, and as you guys can tell by the title, I'm back with another hair video for you guys. So today's hair is coming from Cexxy Hair, and I just want to show you guys what all you get in your package, and then I'm going to move on to how to style the hair. So the wig that I'm showing you guys is their 13x6 fake scalp wig, and the texture is curly deep wave. The length is 24 inches, and I think this wig was around $200, maybe under $250 if I'm not mistaken, and the density of this wig was 130%. So I'm just going to show you guys how I did this little two braid kind of hairstyle, and then show you guys the inside of the wig because this is a fake scalp wig. So whenever I got it, I only had to bleach the perimeters of the hair, and then underneath the wig there was like a netting, which is basically like the fake scalp part. But honestly, you guys, the moment that I washed it, the little cap kind of started peeling down. So if you don't want it there, you can take it off, but it's also nice to have there if you do. So I just put it on and like slid it forward. But yeah, so overall, this wig was really nice. I would have liked a higher density in the wig, but other than that, it was just, you know, standard and nice. Nothing really bad to say about it. So now I'm just going to stop talking and show you guys how I do the actual hairstyle. I'm going to finish putting this product all throughout my hair, and then while it's still wet, I'm just going to do the two braids and then pin them back. So if you guys keep watching, you will see. But that's about all the talking I have for this video. Hopefully you guys stick around to the end to see how I finish styling this wig from Cexxy Hair. And if you guys enjoy, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
DJ Doraemon. DJ Doraemon.